Aboru aboye. Rituals, ceremonies, and spiritual iconography, by which I mean things like soaps, powders, charms, and the like. Those things are only going to get you 50% of what you're aspiring to. Max. No matter how powerful your priest is, no matter how legitimate the lineage is that you come from, the most you're going to achieve through rituals, ceremonies, and icons is 50%. Max. All right. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because you got to make the distinction between, a service provider and a teacher. Okay. Your service provider will provide you with, hopefully, quality materials, right? But your teacher, your guide, your mentor is going to actually walk you through the process of integrating the rituals, the ceremonies, and the icons. Keyword integrating. I'm not talking about somebody who's just doing data dumps, right? Data dump, right? It's just throwing out a whole bunch of information and giving you a whole bunch of methodologies. Do this and this, do this and do this and do this and that. That has its place and is valuable, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about actually looking at your developmental stage spiritually. What stage are you in? And how does this ritual address the spiritual obligations that you have at this stage? How does this ceremony model, right? And create a blueprint for the developmental stage that you're in right now. Okay? This soap or this powder or this cream, how does it match your spiritual composition in this particular stage? So that you have a clear understanding of where you are, what's happening, and then how you can expect to move forward or to progress or to transform. That is where I'm going with it. This is self-discovery. That's what I'm talking about when I say live the medicine that will heal your life and heal the lives of those that you're destined to serve. You need a teacher, a guide to help you at that level of integration and absorption, because this tradition isn't about becoming, saved. This tradition isn't about accumulating a stockpile of weapons and shields. That's not what Orisha lifestyle is all about. Orisha lifestyle is all about helping you discover your destiny. But if you can't identify yourself, if you don't have any concept of your identity, then how can you claim to be living your destiny? Right? How can you claim that these pots and these beads and these titles and these different materials are helping you to realize your destiny when you don't know what your destiny is and you don't know who you are? And you don't have someone who's actually guiding you through that process. Okay? So I'm looking for people who are interested in matching all of the content that they learn, all of the rituals that they perform, all of the ceremonies that they participate in, all of the different materials and medicines and things that they make use of, matching all of those to their own internal state. If you are interested in that level of self-discovery and self-development, I want you to join me in the Orisha Lifestyle Academy. Aboru aboye, aboshishe.